We are not in a boat. This is not a boat. That's a tidal wave. It's a Class 5 white water. It may look like we're in a boat, but it's the Berlo family house. Peace on earth, chaos in the ocean. Yo, Tristan Walsh, did you see the outside of your vehicle? Iceman coming.
The Iceman coming.
What are you going to do with all that? Look at the side of the truck.
Oh, my.
Dan, great job today. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure. The scraper, you're going to need a blowtorch. Look at this. One for the books. 10 seconds. Oh, no problem reeling that cable in, huh? You can just keep this truck here until April or so?
Sun's out.
Sun's out. It's turned beautiful. Thank you guys. It was a pleasure. It was fun.